People are laughing at you while you are delivering a speech. Oh my god, that is annoying. And you know what is more annoying? You don't seem to think about anything else. Now your brain is just focusing on them. Does that happen to you too?
Welcome to Stagecraft, where I share practical public speaking lessons that most people learn the hard way.
Before I give you the secret sauce, I have to tell you that your audience sees how you react more than what has happened. So, people laughing will not make you lose authority. It's you getting flustered at people laughing at you will make you lose authority. With that, let's talk about the first tip. Do not just simply assume that they are laughing at you. Most of the times, they're not even looking at you or taking you seriously. They might just have an internal joke that they're laughing, or maybe a certain realization that they're laughing on. It isn't always you. But if at all you have a crazy audience member that is actually laughing at you, I need you to do this, and it's really powerful. You need to have guts for this. But you need to pause and you need to just look at them and talk to them rather than talking to the whole audience. Do it for a few seconds so that they realize that what they are doing is interrupting your message. That is so powerful. And if that also they're not willing to listen, then call out. I am a firm believer of that, or ask them to leave the space. I have no shame in admitting that. Yes, you can very well make the choice of ignoring them, but that does not happen immediately because you are also in high stakes situation. Just ask them to leave or ask them to be quiet, pronounce their name if you know them personally, and then ask them, is there something I'm missing out on? That's it. Those are my tips. If you like this, follow me because I got a lot more of these tips coming your way.